Hello everybody, welcome back. My name is Johnny and I've got another video for y'all. Don't mind this finger, I smashed it on a couple pieces of concrete. But I'm okay, don't worry, I'm okay. So y'all have been loving the Malaysian street racing videos. A lot of people have been commenting to look at some of the motorcycle videos coming out of Malaysia. And I found some cool ones, but I found one was recommended to me. I can't remember your name. I'm sure when you see this, you'll know. So say something and I'll give you your credit. But I saw a little bit of this video and it is crazy. People in Malaysia are by far the most skilled drivers that I've seen on two wheels or four. I don't know about three. I guess we'll find out. Maybe. I don't know if they have three wheelers there. But it's, so we're going to do two videos today. Let me show you what we're looking at. The first one is called Y15ZR FTX1R. Almost positive that's, I mean, what is this? It's gonna be a 150cc bike, I'm assuming. FTX1R. It's most likely just the model of a bike. But for a 150cc motorcycle, that doesn't stop. You know what? I'm not gonna say anything. I watched the first couple seconds, like the first 20 seconds, and I immediately backed out because this is some of the coolest. Just wait. Actually, you might have seen this already, but this is my first time. Check this out. Alright, so off the bat, you would think, looking at this, you would think that this is nothing, right? But if you pay a little bit more closer attention, all these things are souped up to hell and back, dude. This guy's got custom wheels. I'm assuming these are powder coated or plasti dipped, maybe painted. Custom gold wheels over here. These are definitely custom wheels right here in the middle. What else we got? This thing on the left looks like a Hayabusa. I don't think it is. It's definitely not actually. Not long enough of a swing arm. But I'm assuming these are all pretty much 150cc motorcycles. Riding around in a group, you would think, oh, they're probably gonna go get some coffee, maybe get some food. Watch this. Watch this. This is where I stopped. This is where I stopped. This is the craziest shit I've ever seen in my entire life. And I know logically speaking, like having a full-size 600cc motorcycle isn't going to make it any much of a difference. But the fact that they're able to pull this off on 150cc's, with what looks like, I mean, I've never seen these motorcycles before. I wouldn't look at that and think that you could do some crazy ass shit on them. Let's watch the rest of it. I'm done talking. Let's watch. Full send, man. Are you kidding me? Oh, nice. Matching kicks, baby. I hope they do some wheelies. It's a dope song. Nice butt. Demonetized.
Thank God that the brothers on the rise now.
Like, look at this. Look at this. This is clean, dude. This is a clean ass bike. Looks like his helmet has some sort of, I'm assuming, vinyl on top of that. Gold wheels. Look at the, oh, you can't see. How do I take, you know what? You'll have to see it in a second. But you can see his actual slip-on. What is that, a titanium slip-on? Look at this. You wouldn't assume that. You wouldn't assume that. But these things are totally modded the hell out. Oh, look at this one. Holy shit. That's clean. I like that blue. I like that blue a lot. These are all, wait, hold on a second. Are these all the same bike? These are all the same bike. Or the same model, which I guess would make sense. Because the title, are they? They are, right? Yeah, the rear. The rear fender. I believe these are all the same bike. Yeah, these are the same turn signals, same turn signals. I guess he's got eliminators here. Okay, maybe not, because this is definitely not. Unless he's got a different rear end on it. Actually, yeah. You know what? Look at the wheel. Look at the size of the tire over here. Unless this is highly modified, I don't think these are all the same bike. Was that it? Oh. So, I'm assuming these have foot brakes as foot brake for your back brake, handlebar brake for your front brake. So this terrifies me because if they have to brake, they only have their front brake. If it's the same system as like a sports bike, which I would assume so. There'd be no reason for it not to be. This is terrifying. Great muscle control. Strong torsos. It's a nice camera. Look at the landscape, dude. That was cool. You know what? I wish they did more, but you know, I noticed near the end it says Superman never rests. So I guess we're just gonna do Supermans the whole time. Would have been cooler with a little bit more mix of stunts. I like when people stunt on the streets. I think it looks cool. I should say. I know it's dangerous and stuff like that, but if you've never, number one, if you've never had a motorcycle buzz you at like 120 miles an hour on one wheel, or maybe doing a high chair with their legs up in the air, that shit is cool, man. That shit is cool as fuck. I don't give a shit what anybody says. That shit is cool. All right, cool. So the next one is actually going to be sports bikes, full-on sports bikes. This is called 270 kilometers per hour street race. Gixxer L8 MotoGP RSV4. That's Aprilia, right? And a S1000RR. Actually, before we do that, I want to see, what is this thing? Okay. Yamaha featuring okay. So I'm guessing this is a combination of different Yamaha bikes in another video. Cool. This video is by RN675. Links to all the original videos in the description below, of course. And let's check it out. Let's check it out, Jerry. Here we go. So the YouTube idol is riding a different bike as the previous weeks. Okay. Oh, that's cool. Gixxer 1000, all right.
Compared to HP4, RSV4. Okay. Compare dengan HP4 lah sebab dia point line kan. So this is much more better than HP4, of course lah. HP4 is 2013 punya technology. This is 2000.
Can y'all hear him? I can barely hear him. My shit is cranked. I can barely hear him.
17 punya technology. Tak boleh compare. The power, marvelous. The power deliver. Selalunya when you talk about power, you'll be scared, hard to control, wild. Tapi this is fast.
I'm gonna skip ahead to the racing. Sorry. I want to see what these guys can do. So this dude is on the blue Gixxer. All right. Now let's go back a little more. All right, let's go.
So this one is manual.
The human skill.
Yes.
Let's go. Yo, I'm gonna laugh my ass off if a little 150, if one of these things, if they get passed up on the highway, with one of these guys doing a Superman off the back. All right, let's go. No more jokes. This is the Aprilia, I believe. We're on the Aprilia right now. There it is. Superman. I can't get over this landscape. It's so pretty. This is the BMW right here, the S1000. And this is the Gixxer. Yep. So we're camera bike is the Aprilia. RSV4. You know what? I've been so wrong lately. Let me just make sure. I don't want to. Thank the Lord I got it right finally. Yeah, Aprilia. So real quick, if you're watching this and you're from Malaysia, could you tell me this is KARAK Highway still? If you could tell me, please. It's not like I'm gonna see your comment, but I would like to know. Whoa! Oh my fucking God. No. Look at that. That's pretty damn close. That is pretty damn close. And you know there's a wake behind these trucks. Oh, hell no. Seriously, just okay, just nice for KARAK. Yep, it is KARAK Highway. Splitting them. All right, the BMW, or I'm sorry, the Gixxer 1000 all the way in the front, that guy can ride. And I've had multiple motorcycles. I've had a Ninja, what was it, like a 500? I've had a ZX6R, CBR 600RR, Gixxer 750. I think that's it. So I've spent quite a bit of time on bikes, and you know when a motherfucker can ride. Y'all know what chicken strips are on the tires? If you know what chicken strips are, say something in comments. Oh, I missed my bike. I want to hear him gun it in the tunnel. What the hell was that? Was that a Raptor? That's the Ranger that we never got. Yo, that is cool as hell. Look at that. Look at that. Damn, that looks badass. See, look, it's got the front piece, like the front grille on the quarter panel. It's kind of like the Raptor / F250. That thing looks sick. Look at the mirror on it. Isn't that cute? All right, let's go. stretch is known for oil, sand, cement spills from trucks. So another thing I was going to say is that I see them hitting the white lines a lot. I'm just going to let it play. I see them hitting the white lines a lot, and it scares me because sand on the painted line, or anything on the painted line, it's very, very slippery. Wow, it's cutting it close to the grass. Wow, look at that lean. Look at that curve. Oh, that's so awesome. That'd be so much fun to ride. Look at that. He's almost got his knee down. Awesome exit. Great exit. Go, go, go! Yo, they're going so fast! Oh, thank God. I thought I was gonna try to cut him. Good split. Go get him, go get him, go get him! Go, go, go. Oh, I want to ride this so bad. Yes. Go, 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 go. Cutting on that line. Cutting on that line. Makes me nervous. Holy shit. Uh-oh. We're about to see some crazy shit, I think. Here we go. Ooh, S-curve. Kind of. Not really, actually. Look at that lean, baby. This Aprilia sounds amazing. Yung. Oh. So what? Here's another thing that makes this. You have to have ridden motorcycles kind of like this before to really get the rush that this is. But when they're passing the cars, like let's say there's two cars. Hang on. top it out, baby. Let's go. This looks like so much fun to ride. So when they're passing the cars, right? There's always, as a car moves, the air comes around it, right? When you're passing two of them, there's two bubbles of air. When you go in between them, they hit you. Like, let's say you're going, the bubble from the right will hit you, and then almost immediately after, the bubble from the left will hit you. So you'll feel the bike kind of do this thing, and it's still stable, like it's not going anywhere. But it's a rush every single time. Oh, that was cool. I really like that. I didn't know if I was really going to like that. I'm not going to lie. I didn't know if I was really going to like that. I know there were super bikes. I just thought it was just going to be like 10 minutes of them just goofing off and riding around. But that was actually that was actually badass. I have a lot more of these Malaysian motorcycle videos. I want to see more Malaysian stunting. Like motorcycle stunting. High chairs, wheelies. I mean, I want to see the works. That's what... If y'all want to see more motorcycle videos... let me know if you want to see some Malaysian street stunting, bike stunting. What is it called? Squidding, right? Is that even a term? Squidding? Whatever. Okay, that's it from me. Yikes. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked it, thumbs up, please. Want to see more, subscribe, hit the bell. Comment, suggestions, all the good stuff down below. At Johnny Zeta on Twitter and Instagram. Why can't I never remember that? Why can't I just remember this ending script and just rattle it off? Thank you to everybody that's joined the Patreon. A few more of y'all have joined. I love you all for that. Thank you, Tex, for the first diamond tier patron. Thank you so much. And thank you to my boys, Fez and Miles at the Commodity. I love you guys. Thank you as well. That's it for me, y'all. Thank you. Till next time. Bye.